Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change color of first page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change the color of this first page. Go to the Page Design menu. Then click the background option. You can see here some colors like solid colors or gradient color. You can insert any colors to this option. Otherwise, you can go to the more background and choose the color. Click the solid color and select any color. Now I select this orange color, then click OK. Now we can see we change color of first page this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.